Assalamu alaikum. It is pleasure for me to participating in third International Brain and Biomedicine Conference, Brain, Body and Society, Reshaping Mental Health in an AI-driven era, which organized by Department of Physiology and Department of Pharmaceutical, Government College, University, Faisalabad. Today, my presentation topic is with the help of artificial intelligence, reducing academic stress during the study in Bachelor of Science in Nursing, presented to Kulsum Akhtar, Bachelor of PhD from the Kuala University, Malaysia. The nursing education pipeline is in state of clinical crisis. The center of this slide shows cognitions of the students, and the arrows center arrows pointed heavy external pressure of students, for example, long duties or exams. They push the ability of the students and learn and think more. And also, this slide has three steps of stress: threshold, mechanism of breakdown, and systematic fall breakdown. Threshold, according to Chen et al. 2023, nursing students report 70% moderate to high stress during clinical training with burnout symptoms. Burnout is not a graduation year symptom or appear in first years. Next is mechanism of breakdown. According to Scheller and Pass mechanism researcher 2024, set appraiser, it is a cognitive state where external demands exceed and students go to survival mode. Thematic fallback. When students remain in survival mode for a long time, it causes reactions and impaired cognition functions and limit empathy and ultimately compromising patient safety. So it is clear that to protect the patients, we must protect the students' mental well-being. If we do not reduce students' cognition pressure, the entire healthcare pipe is risk of breaking. Mapping the technology toolkit to the anatomy of the BSN cell. AI intervention matrix. It is essential in when students face problem, AI can help and solve. Students use different tools in solving better. According to students use different tools in solving problems. Okay, academic problem, clinical anxiety. In academic, AI is a tutor for assignment lectures. Clinical anxiety use simulations, models for improving skill before going to the actually patients. Deploying evidence-based of ecosystem. In this slide, focus main three ways. AI support the students' cognitive level, experimental anxiety, psychological and logistic frictions. In this presentation, my first slide shows how students break. And this slide shows how we use AI to reinforce them. Personalized study pathway eliminate the psychological burden of uncertainty. How percentage study pathway build confidence? Continuous assessment, cues, practice questions. Gap identify high level which students do not know. Algorithms and adjustment it change the students' plan in real. Targeted instructions. It gives students specific video articles they need. Intelligent tutoring system offer immediate non-judgment remedies. In these slides, the comprising the students learn from traditional versus intelligence tutoring system. The main idea is that AI these red dots shows these Z dots shows the stop and go. Traditional feedback. The traditional feedback teacher, the student not understand the any concept, they wait the next class and the office hours. And the intelligent teachers is no fear, no any shame for answering the questioning. And some student shows shy, yeah, hanging the hand in front of the colleagues. So the intelligent teacher, there's no fear. Next slide, brain, body, society, and mandate for compassionate innovations. The academic stress experienced by BSN students is not an inevitable future of nursing education. It is a systemic challenge that demands scalable system solutions. Technology amplifies the values of those who deployed it. We must choose the amplify sport, justice, and psychological safety. The next generations of nurses will care for us in our most vulnerable moments. They deserve an educational environment that takes their vulnerability and their strength seriously. Cohesive architecture framework for AI integrated stress education. In these slides, the three levels are described: institution level, curricular level, and the individual level. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence has significant potential to reduce academic stress among Bachelor of Science in Nursing BSc students by providing personalized learning support, placement time, management tools, and instant academic assistance. By simplifying complex concepts, offering adopted feedback, and improving assessed learning resource, AI helps students feel more confident and less overwhelmed during their studies. However, its effectiveness depends on the responsible use, proper training, and integrations into the curriculum. Overall, AI can serve as a valuable supportive tool in enhancing students' well-being and academic performance when used thoughtfully. These are references in an inquiry. Go to these references. Thanks for listening. अभी खत्म हो गया, हम बंद कर दे। अच्छा, कितने मिनट हुए? ये ज्यादा हो गया लगता है। जितने मिनट ही है, रो रो के तक पहुंचे हैं। कैप्रिकॉन खुद ही हट डाला है, क्योंकि मैं चवल जी जिवें तभी हाँ, मैं चुप करके परा मुकाई जांच। हाँ, अच्छा जी, अच्छा जी, तो लीव किथे आ भाई, मेरे नाल करनी सी, हुण ऐसे सेव ही हो जाए ना। स्टॉप पुश रिकॉर्डिंग, स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग।